Ronaldo received a rain of compliments. Coaches Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, Gary Lineker, and Michael Owen praised Ronaldo after MU's 2-1 win over Villarreal. You always have a chance when Ronaldo is on the pitch. He is very good at close range. Ronaldo has scored many goals in that way. Last-minute burst, PV. For example, the match Portugal won against Ireland. A month ago, CR7 missed the penalty, then didn't touch the ball too much, but still scored 2 goals at the end of the game, Coach Solskjaer told the post-match press conference. Ronaldo does that throughout his career. I've watched Ronaldo's whole day, from the way he prepares for the game, to coming into the game, creating chances, and converting into goals. Ronaldo has kept his composure wonderfully. Before the opportunity, Solskjaer continued. Legendary Gary Lineker excitedly shared, "I couldn't resist the moment Ronaldo scored in the 90+5 minute. An incredible player. Unbelievable. You can't find anything to compare with Ronaldo." He didn't work much throughout the game. Even his performance was not good. "I'm sure some people have thought about when Lingard and Cavani come on, will Ronaldo be substituted?" Legendary Michael Owen commented on BT Sport. "No, can't replace Ronaldo. An opportunity came to Ronaldo's feet, and he grabbed it and put the ball into the net." The former MU star was excited. Former Ireland international Clinton Morrison thinks that a top-class striker can play around for the whole game, but shine at the right time. Ronaldo is the best example of that definition. Ronaldo's late goal helped MU to reverse the victory against Villarreal. This could be the turning point for the Red Devils' chance to qualify for the Champions League group stage this season. CR7 played the hero, saving MU and saving his teammates from a game of criticism. "We always talk about how a good striker must know how to score at the right time. Ronaldo once again shows that quality." Bruno Fernandes praised the senior. The top reporters of English football also simultaneously sent compliments to Ronaldo. Henry Winter of The Times said, "It was the Ronaldo of 30 time. Old Trafford was really crazy with the goal to make it 2-1. Athletic journalist Laurie Whitwell wrote, "Like a joke. Ronaldo took off his shirt. Solskjaer punched in the air, and Sir Alex laughed." The Portuguese superstar played his 178th match in the Champions League, thereby surpassing Iker Casillas' 177 matches, to be the player who played the most in Europe's most prestigious club-level playground. Ronaldo also leads in the scoring index with 136 goals in the Champions League. "We believe anything is possible. This is why I returned to MU. I miss this shirt a lot. I made history with MU and want to repeat it again. I also want to say thank you to the fans. They motivate not only me but the whole club." The role of fans is always very important and will be special this season, Metro quoted Ronaldo's share.